Automatic report generation in Zotero is a very nice feature which is built in. You just select several references and right click on it, generate report from items. Even better is to merge this option with automatic PDF highlights and annotation extraction. The basic idea is that you highlight a PDF, add annotations, then extract notes from there and generate report from the notes. So let me demonstrate how it works. First of all, we would need to download and install the Zotero plugin, which is called Zotfile. It is actually also a Firefox extension. That's why we will just Google Zotfile Firefox extension. Go to the web page. If you are using Firefox, you would be proposed to add it to Zotero, to Firefox, sorry, or there would be a link to download it. Actually, we need to save link as, you see, Zotfile XP file. Good, we save it to desktop. Here it is. Now in Zotero, in Tools, Add-ons, you right click on this wheel, install add-on from a file, choose this file, click install. It will require to restart Zotero, but it will take just a few seconds. Now we are back. Zotfile needs to know where are the files. That's why we go to Zotero Preferences, go to Advanced, Files and Folders, Show Data Directory. In Windows, you would see your usual data directory, and then there is in the address bar the whole path to the files. So here, actually, you should choose Storage and select Copy Address. Very good, so it's selected to buffer. Now you go to Add-ons here, or directly to Zotfile Preferences here, and you add this address here. Okay, now it should work. Imagine that you are reading a bunch of articles. I will select only 5 of them. I'm using this PDF Exchange Viewer, which is just an alternative to Adobe Reader. And as you see, I can open all these files just in one window, and they will be divided into tabs like this. So what I do here, I just select for a demonstration some text, and I click Ctrl+S, which means that I save the file. Basically, I rewrite the file that is stored in Zotero, and I save all this text. You see, you can read all the text, the articles you wish, without distraction. You don't need to copy anything that you find interesting into a Word document or WordPad. You just read through and highlight the most important parts of this text. You can also add an annotation, a sticker, like here. Don't forget to save the document. And just a hint, while you are overviewing literature, it's always good to have some kind of a system. What I usually do, I read an article, I definitely pay attention to the authors. Now we are freezed. Okay, we are back. Who are the authors? What is the title? What is the journal? Then what is this article about? What are the main messages? And after all, what is the dominant? I mean, what is the conclusion of the article? The main finding. So a few options you just have to pay attention to. You can have your own system, but it's very helpful when you have a system. So once again, in my case, it's always author, title, journal, then summary of the article, the main findings. That was the last article here. Now I select all of them in Zotero, the PDF files. I right click on them, then I go through Manage Attachments, Extract Annotations, and it takes just a while to extract all annotations. You can see notes are created here. Now this will take time, so I will just pause for a moment. You see, all annotations are extracted as notes, and here we have the text, which is copy-pastable, and after this text you can actually see a reference as well. So it's Pike et al. 2013, so somehow you will be able to identify what was the source. Next, let me select all those notes. Good, I select them just by pressing and holding Ctrl and clicking on on the references. Okay, somehow some of them are selected, some are not. Come on, what's going on? That was the same in my class. I don't know how Windows works. Okay, let me select some of them at least. Good, 3 are selected. More than nothing. Come on, yes. Right click, my Windows is thinking, yes, generate report from items. Believe me or not, but you can select all of them at once when it's a usual situation. Generate report from items, and you see this is a very nice report, very clean. It's only the parent item here, then extracted annotations. Good. Let's see what we can do. We can save it as a simple txt file somewhere on the desktop, or downloads. Okay, downloads. And let's see now. Downloads. Nope, it's not there. Just a second. Good, so another strange thing happened on my computer, that I cannot save this file, which should be pretty simple. Anyway, the formatting here is as simple that I can just copy everything. And by the way, actually I have selected everything. Some references were just not invisible. Now I just select it, and you can see that I can copy to some Word document, and it will be fine. Because usually when you copy and paste something from a PDF, you will see broken lines, but here no broken lines, just text, and also you have the references to the original source, with which you can reuse, of course. And also what is good here, that you're not disturbed. You can just read, highlight, and then analyze what you have highlighted. But be careful, right now it is a plagiarism, so to make a real literature review for your article, or maybe for PhD thesis, you would have to work hardly on this text, paraphrase it, just make summaries and rewrite everything. So good luck. Use this very nice tool for a productive work.